Namaste. India Meteorological Department brings you daily weather briefing. First, we will see monsoon condition over the country during past 24 hours. Then we will see synoptic systems today over the country and synoptic system forecast during next 5 days. And then we will come over to the weather warning over the country during next 5 days. So as far as monsoon condition during past 24 hours is concerned, as we had seen yesterday that there was a cyclonic circulation which was a remnant of the low pressure area which had become less marked yesterday. Under the influence of that cyclonic circulation, extremely heavy rainfall has occurred over Guna district of West MP, which has reported 26 centimeter, and adjoining district of East Rajasthan, that is Baran district, that has reported 22 centimeter rainfall. So, due to this extremely heavy rainfall activity over these two subdivisions, monsoon remained active over East Rajasthan, West MP, and today there has formed a low pressure area over North Bay of Bengal and neighborhood. So, under the influence of that low pressure area, rainfall activity over West Bengal had also increased since yesterday, and therefore monsoon remained active over Gangetic West Bengal also. Over rest parts of the country, monsoon remained weak to normal. As we can see over the southern peninsula, monsoon remained almost weak all over the subdivisions except over Tamil Nadu, Lakshadweep, Andaman and Nicobar, and Madhya Maharashtra. And over northern parts of the country, monsoon remained normal, except over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam and Meghalaya, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Jammu and Kashmir. Except this, heavy rainfall has been reported over four stations of Delhi. Safdarjung has reported 10 centimeter. Lodi Road has reported 9 centimeter. Palam and Ayanagar has reported 8 centimeter each. Except this, Kapurthala of Punjab has reported 13 centimeter rainfall, and Anand of Gujarat has also reported 13 centimeter rainfall. Now, if you come over to the synoptic systems, then we can see that a low pressure area has formed over North Bay Bengal and neighborhood, and the remnant of the yesterday's low pressure area as a cyclonic circulation lies over southern parts of central UP that extends up to mid tropospheric levels, and the monsoon trough today is passing through Ganganagar, Hisar, Meerut. Then after Meerut, it is passing through Hardoi, and then Varanasi, Daltonganj, Digha, and thence eastwards to the low pressure area over North Bay of Bengal and neighborhood. So accordingly, we can see this intense to very intense convection over North Bay of Bengal and neighborhood, and this intense convection over West MP area, and there is also intense convection taking place over Bihar. So now, if you come over to the weather warning for next 5 days, then we can see, as we have been predicting since last 4 to 5 days, that Northwest India is going to experience intense spell. So and accordingly, heavy to very heavy rainfall has occurred over Haryana and Punjab also. So if we come over to the warning hotspots for next 2-3 days, then over Northwest India we can see that this HP and Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand are very likely to experience isolated extremely heavy fall. That is rainfall greater than 20 centimeter. And on 28th, West UP is also very likely to experience greater than 20 centimeter rainfall at isolated places. Over rest of the region, if we consider Punjab, Haryana, East Rajasthan, West MP, then it is very likely to experience heavy to very heavy rainfall at isolated places. So on 27th and 28th, weather activity over these 5 6 subdivisions is going to be very intense, and then it is very likely to reduce slightly on 29th and then substantially on 30th. On 29th, we can see that there is no extremely heavy rainfall warning over neither over Western Himalayan region nor over the plains. And on 30th, this on 29th there is only isolated heavy to very heavy rainfall warning, and on 30th this rainfall warning has been reduced to just isolated heavy rainfall warning over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Haryana, and West UP. Then our next that major synoptic system is the low pressure area, which this low pressure area over North Bay Bengal and Neighborhood. So under the influence of that low pressure area, Gangetic West Bengal is very likely to experience isolated extremely heavy rainfall on 28th and 29th, and Jharkhand is very likely to experience isolated extremely heavy rainfall on 29th. On 30th of July, Chhattisgarh is very likely to experience isolated extremely heavy rainfall, and on 31st, East MP is very likely to experience isolated extremely heavy rainfall. Over rest of the region, over Bihar, Jharkhand, and our this Gangetic West Bengal and Odisha, heavy to very heavy rainfall is very likely during 28th to 31st of July. So major during next 5 days, our major warning hotspots are Northwest India for next 3 days, we can say, and over east and adjoining central India from 28th onwards up to 31st of July. And we have also issued impact based warning during this severe weather period, and we can you can see that we have mentioned isolated extremely heavy rainfall and heavy to very heavy rainfall regions, date wise regions we have mentioned here. So as we have discussed, so during this period and over these areas, over the Himalayan areas especially, localized landslides and mudslides are very likely, and minor damage to kacha roads, damage to horticulture and standing crops in some areas due to inundation. And due to this extremely heavy rainfall scenario, riverine flooding in some river catchments is also very likely. And for this detailed warning regarding this riverine flooding, you can visit web page of Central Water Commission. So accordingly, this action has been suggested for checking for traffic congestion on your route before leaving for your destination, following the traffic advisories issued by respective state governments, and also visiting our regional and state meteorological centers, which are continuously issuing impact based weather forecast and weather warning. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with the weather briefing for next 24 hours, and we are available on both Android and iOS platforms with our Mosam, Damini and Meghdoot apps. Please follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and YouTube also. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will again meet with next weather briefing. Thank you.